Today I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT in Google Sheets for generation of product descriptions. This is incredibly useful if you're managing an e-commerce store or catalog and need to create compelling descriptions for multiple products quickly without writing each one manually. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google account using your credentials. This will take you to your Workspace dashboard where all your Google apps and files are accessible. From the Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to use ChatGPT for generating product descriptions. Make sure this spreadsheet already has a list of your product names ready, as you'll be using those to generate the descriptions. Once your spreadsheet is open, look at the top menu bar and click on Extensions. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Add-ons, then select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace where you can browse and install various tools to enhance your spreadsheet functionality. In the Marketplace search bar, type GPT for Sheets and hit Enter. When you see the GPT for Sheets add-on in the results, click on it to open its details page. Then click the Install button to begin the installation process. A prompt will appear asking you to continue, so go ahead and click Continue. You'll need to grant permissions for this add-on to work properly. Click Continue to proceed with logging into your account. Next, you'll see several checkboxes asking for access permissions. Check all the checkboxes to allow the add-on full functionality, then click Continue. The installation will begin processing, so be patient while it completes. Once it's finished installing, you can close the installation window. Now that the add-on is installed, go back to the top menu and click on Extensions again. This time, hover over GPT for Sheets in the drop-down menu and then click Open. This activates the add-on within your current spreadsheet. The GPT interface will now appear on the right side of your screen. Click Continue to proceed, then click on GPT Functions at the top of the sidebar. This section contains various templates and examples you can use. Look for the GPT prompt option and click on it. You'll see an example formula provided. Copy this example formula and paste it into any empty cell in your spreadsheet where you want your product descriptions to appear. Now you need to customize this formula. In the pasted formula, locate the content inside the double quotation marks and erase it. Replace it with Generate a product description for, then add a comma. After the comma, click on the cell that contains your first product name. This creates a dynamic formula that will reference your product names. Hit the Enter key to execute the formula, and ChatGPT will generate a description for that product. To generate descriptions for all your products, simply click on the small blue circle at the bottom right corner of the cell containing your formula and drag it downwards. This copies the formula to the cells below, automatically adjusting the references to generate descriptions for each product in your list. And that's it. You've successfully set up ChatGPT in Google Sheets to automatically generate product descriptions for your entire catalog. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.